So, hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. So your exams, your board exams are just around the corner. I know you must be having that anxiety, that stress in your mind, but you don't need to worry about it right now because now I'm with you, and today's video is going to be a bomb. It's going to be an amazing video, okay? So I hope that your syllabus is completed by now, and you must be revising your syllabus, or you are done with your pre-boards, or maybe they are going on. Okay, pre-boards are going on. So yeah, after the completion of your pre-boards, what you can do is just revision, and in today's video I will be telling you how you can revise your whole syllabus. अगर आपका syllabus complete हो गया, then it's the best video for you. Okay, बट अगर आपका कुछ सिलेबस अभी रहता भी है, देन ओनली यू कैन सी दिस वीडियो, यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो, और आप इसके अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन do great in your upcoming exams. Okay, there is this one condition for this particular video, that you have to watch this video till the very end. And since I will be like giving you more videos like this and amazing videos, so I hope you'll be subscribing to this channel. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But first you have to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the notification of such amazing videos which will be coming up. Number one thing that we will be discussing is that understand the pattern. Okay, नंबर वन थिंग जो आपको इस चीज पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करना है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दैट आपका सिलेबस पैटर्न क्या है. लाइक कौन से क्वेश्चन 6 मार्कर्स है, कौन से 10 मार्कर है, 1 मार्कर, 2 मार्कर, 5 मार्कर्स क्वेश्चन जो है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन देम. लाइक फिर उसी अकॉर्डिंग आप चीजें देख सकते हैं, है ना, कि आपको पता है ओके इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में चॉइस आती है, लाइक देयर इज दिस और एंड और काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, और करके चॉइस आती है. सो आप उसको कुछ थोड़ा उसके ऊपर यू कैन you can use leniency over that, you can be lenient over that particular questions, over that particular chapters or topics. Okay, so आपको अपना उसी तरह बहुत स्मार्ट प्ले करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ऑफ हार्ड वर्क और हार्ड लाइक बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करने का टाइम इट्स नॉट दैट. So now you have to be smart, you have to work smartly right now at this point of time, because it's high time for you to start studying and achieve your target of like obtaining or achieving 95% plus. Okay, this is your target from the very starting of your class 10, and even now I'll tell you that yes, you can do it, you can surely do it. Okay, एग्जाम पैटर्न देखना है, कितने क्वेश्चंस कितने मार्क्स के हैं, जो चैप्टर्स हाई वेटेज आपको लग रही है आप उनको पहले देखो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से if there are 2 chapters, one chapter is worth 8 mark and one chapter is worth 5 marks, so you will be completing that chapter which is of 8 mark right now, because आपको पहले अपने जो हाई चैप्टर वेटेज चैप्टर्स हैं, जो टफ चैप्टर्स हैं, वो कंप्लीट कर लो, बिकॉज वो अगर आप अभी कर लोगे तो यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ओके, सो या नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई विल बी टेलिंग यू इज दैट क्रिएट सब्जेक्ट वाइज प्लान. लाइक हम मैथ्स का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. सो आपको मैथ, साइंस, एसएसटी अपने हर सब्जेक्ट को 3 पोर्शंस में डिवाइड करना है. नंबर 1 इज गोइंग टू बी द हार्ड चैप्टर्स, जो आपको हार्ड लगते हैं, जो you are feeling underconfident in those chapters, you are feeling that you're not doing that well in those chapters, so you'll be focusing on them. Then second thing is the medium chapters which you think are moderate, you can do them, you can like efforts मांगती है वो chapters, but still you can do that, you are confident that you can do them in the least time possible. Then we have the third category, that is easy chapters, the chapters you are confident in. So अब इन 3 कैटेगरी के इस पे आप अभी के अभी, like with this video only, pause this video and write down those 3 things. Okay, get a paper, get a pen, and then write those things, which chapters you think are your hard, easy and then moderate we have. Okay, अब सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को अपने उस कैटेगराइज कर लो इसके अकॉर्डिंग. यू हैव टू डू दिस राइट नाउ, उससे आपको क्लैरिटी रहेगी कितने चैप्टर्स आपको आते हैं, and what are the things you need to work upon like more right now. Okay, at this point of time. Number 3 is daily study targets. You need to be clear about what your study targets of daily are. Like for example, you need to be clear that today you are going to be doing 2 chapters of SST, 1 chapter of science, and then you'll be revising your English syllabus side by side. Or maybe we can say that okay, you'll be doing one chapter of each science, SST and maths respectively. So these are the things you need to be clear about, so that then only you'll be able to like get the most out of it, you'll be able to grasp the most out of it, and you'll be able to achieve that particular thing which you want. Okay, देन वी हैव स्टार्ट प्रायोरिटाइजेशन. लाइक अब अपनी प्रायोरिटी चेक करो कि कौन से चैप्टर्स, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आपको इजी लग रहे हैं, कौन से टफ लग रहे हैं. या फिर डेट शीट भी इट्स विद यू राइट नाउ. डेट शीट आपको मिल गए, यू नो वट एवर देर इज ऑन वट डेट वट एग्जाम इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड और हैपनिंग. सो आप डेट शीट के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी प्रायोरिटीज सेट करो एंड देन यू नीड टू नो कि आप इस दिन पर ये पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर्स एंड सब्जेक्ट्स करने वाले हैं. सो प्रायोरिटीज क्लियर होना इस टाइम पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड यू नीड टू वर्क ओवर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग ऑल्सो. Then we have daily study targets. I already told you. Okay, so we have daily study targets. You need to be studying. अगर आपको अभी भी लग रहा है कि दीदी एग्जाम है, डर भी है, बट शर्म नहीं आ रही है, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कि लाइक अभी वो मोटिवेशन है लेकिन बहुत लेजीनेस है, बिकॉज आई नो द टाइम, द काइंड ऑफ एटमोसफेयर, द काइंड ऑफ वेदर राइट नाउ गोइंग ऑन इज, आई नो विंटर इज गोइंग ऑन एंड यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग लाइक अब हम खुद को कवर करें अपने सिलेबस को. ओके, सो हम दोनों को कवर कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन डू. Definitely you have to study because you have no choice. Your board exams are from 15th of February, I guess. You don't have that much of time कि आप कुछ भी चीजें अभी फिलहाल सोच सको या फिर आप उन पर वर्क कर सको. So yeah, that is the thing. You have to work over these particular things. Then we have like mix of subjects. If you're studying like 3 subjects a day, you need to be like studying mix of subjects. Like if you think that I'm studying SST, that is a theory subject, then with that I'll be studying maths, which is a practical subject. Okay, or maybe with like when I'm doing biology, then I'll be doing physics with that, because there is a mixture of theory and practical, and I won't feel that burnout. I will not be feeling that burnout. I will not be feeling that stress, anxiety over that particular thing. Okay, so you'll be confident, you'll feel fresh every time you study those subjects or chapters. Okay, so yeah, then we have mock test. It's really important. This advice is going to be the most amazing one, and you will tell me after exams that this was like the most needed. Okay, because हमें आता है, बहुत लोग स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जिनका सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा कि मैं एक बार कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ डेफिनेटली, लेकिन लाइक आई एम नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आई नो एवरीथिंग. ओके, आई एम नॉट एबल टू आंसर व्हेन like when question paper is with me, or when the question paper is like I'm seeing that question paper, I'm watching that, or maybe I am trying to interpret what exactly the question paper is trying to say, but I'm not answering. But I'm not able to answer those questions. I'm not able to answer those questions effectively. Okay, like ये चीजें आपकी mock test देने से ही clear होगी, because you have that particular thing. Mock test, it's like your demo exams, your pre-exams, so which you are giving before your boards, and it will make you familiar with the environment, the kind of environment that is going to be in your particular exams or your main board exams. I have been saying this particular thing since the very starting of your class 10, that you need to do previous year questions. Same questions will be repeated. Same questions are repeated every year. So yeah, you have to focus on them definitely. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं आता है अभी कुछ भी, तो भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन करना चालू करो, उनके आंसर्स देखो, ढूंढो, एंड देन you'll be good to go. Then we have revision and notes, because up most of the students are like done with their syllabus, but revision is the key. Now you have to revise your whole syllabus very effectively, very efficiently. You need to revise those chapters, your chapters from your notes, which you have prepared throughout the year, or maybe what your tuition teachers, your um, school teachers have given you, or maybe you have made during the lectures or something like that. You have to revise them. If you don't have, शोभित भैया के चैनल पे जाओ and उनकी साइंस और एसएसटी के नोट्स खोलो और उनसे पढ़ो, उनके प्रिंट आउट निकालो and study from there. Okay, and now the last and the final thing, that is limit your distractions now, because the time gone never comes back. Okay, you will feel like I have wasted a lot of my time. You have, yeah, it's true. Even if you like, if till this particular day, till the end of December, you have not studied right now, you have to, anyhow you have to study. Okay, so limit your distractions. Do not watch TV or something like that. Like cut off your thing from that. Like you can limit your distractions. Do not use social media. Do not be active everywhere. Okay, it's your final time. It's your time. It's the peak time for you to start studying, for you to complete your syllabus, for you to revise your syllabus, for you to give mock tests, sample papers, and everything so that you can score the best marks. Because after your friends and anybody in your school gets marks higher than you will feel that kind of dejection, or maybe you'll not feel worth it. Okay, so it's better to start from now on so that you don't have to face those consequences later on. Okay, so use your resources, the kind of resources you have been using throughout the year. Do not look for another resources, do not look for other books also right now, and use your reward system. Like when you finish those particular chapters or a subject, then reward yourself with something whatever you like. Do not create that pressure ke exam hai, so I'll be studying the whole day. You have to do other things also. You have to be in extracurriculars, or maybe if not, then you have to be on, like, okay, use Insta if you want, use your social media if you want, but limit that. As I already said, limit your distractions. Don't just cut off from there, but you need to limit them. Okay, and Pomodoro technique use karo. Study for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. But if it doesn't go good with you, if it doesn't align with you, if you are a kind of students जो कि बोलते हैं like if I'm studying for 50 minutes, then 10 मिनट का वो ब्रेक मेरा फिर से 2 घंटे के ब्रेक में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज ये होता है नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स के साथ. सो फिर कंटिन्यूअसली जितने आप पढ़ सको वो पढ़ो, एंड देन टेक द ब्रेक एंड देन अगेन स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. Take a long break if you need. Okay, and yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll meet you next time, like very soon, with super amazing and a brand new video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.